Baby, do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. On a gang. I'm just unboxing with Crystal. She just sent me some new press ones, honey. Get me together right before my birthday. Capricorn season, what's up? Cause the fuck you thought. Anyway. No, for real. Crystal Lady Nails, y'all make sure you order your press-ons. This gonna be before. And you finna see me after on a gang. Make sure y'all follow Crystal Lady and book with her and order you some press-ons. Here we go. Yes, honey, because nail mail. Let me see what the hell. It's a give. It's a give from Crystal. Thank you, baby. And Crystal Lady Nails. Oh, I can't open it. Anyway. Christmas. You, I can't get in my. Okay, Crystal, you better rip it. Okay, y'all, so we seeing this together. Oh my God. Ooh, we got the earrings. She always throw in some little extra cute little stuffs. Yes, we got some more earrings. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you? Ooh, here go the logo. Kiki Wyatt sets. The sets is in, sis. The sets is in, y'all. Comment if you think that Kiki's gonna like her set. One more time, here we go. Okay. Shout out to Crystal and Crystal Lady Nails. Let me see what's next. You better fuck it up. Merry Christmas. You better fuck it up. Fuck it up. Okay. I can't wait till wedding. Oh, these is really cute because, baby, and it say Christmas, not the hashtag. I don't know which way y'all can see it. Comment below if y'all love these. And I like these little short little doo-bops when I gotta do Denver's hair. It's gonna be giving very cute. I've been giving my nails a break, so that's why I really like doing these press-on sets from Encrystalated. So y'all make sure you follow her. Comment if you love. The best. What the hell? Guys. Oh, baby. Y'all look at this. Very much designer. Very much the it girl. I just woke up from the dead and they told me you still not a girl. Don't be mad because I'm the it girl. Bitch, this is gonna be so fucking cute. I'm gonna put my fucking nail in this bitch nail. She really just like laced me. Shout out to Encrystalated, and she give you the whole kit and caboodle and the instructions, rubbing alcohol file, the buffery thing. This glue is the truth, but girl, you need to just sell this glue. I mean, I'm telling you, girl, you better with the math, and it's pink. My favorite color. What's your favorite color? What I'm really upset about is that I have this lace strainer on, and look at it. I'm so over it. Look like a stuffed sausage, which actually sounds really good right now. More earrings. Yeah. Yes, come on with the lip gloss. It's like, wow. Oh, it's Denver Moon time. Look at she got my babykins. Oh, they're like little press-ons for her jacket. And I just got her the cutest denim jacket. Thank you, Crystal. Oh, girl, a little pop-it keychain purse. Denver is obsessed with these pop-its. Yes, little headbands. These are so cute. She gonna love this little ball. So these lashes is long as hell. But I'm gonna try them. Y'all think I should just try them on and see if they give me a little look? Because I never really tried like the real long lashes. Because I feel like I'll just look like Snuffleupagus. Because my lashes already be long. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Oh, she didn't come to play. She came today. Not tomorrow, not yesterday. Okay, Crystal. With these. Yes, logo. I love your logo too, by the way. Y'all make sure you follow Encrystalated. Yeah. Okay, we got 2 scarves. And lastly, but not least, what's the gift? Wait, what is it? What am I supposed to do with it? Somebody gonna have to explain it to me. Is this that? And crystalated nails. Kiki sets, because she likes shorter nails. I really hope she loves them because I think they're gonna look really cute. So we shall see. Ugh, so cute. Mix and match set. A little H.e.r. set. She might have a real name for them, so don't give me the line. And my favorite, I'm probably gonna wear these even when it's not Christmas. Baby, oof, and they long. I'm about to put these ones on. Y'all wanna see me put these on? I'm about to put these ones on so at least you can see. Mr. Hanky, Mr. Hanky, Mr. Hanky. You see, like, pay my fee, pay my fee, pay my fee, pay my fee. Balenciagas on my feet, show on free, pay my fee. I'm the one bitch, not the two, now give me lit. Baddest bitch on every block, now pay my rent. If you see a nigga with me, know he spent.
This is no flitter. This